What's up, guys? We're here at the James E. Martin Aquatic Center. Let's take you through our first of 5 electives. Let's see what scuba diving class has to offer.
This class is PHED 1760, which is Scuba 1. The 1760 class is designed for students who are not certified that want to learn how to dive. We'll even take students that are certified that just want to get a good grade in the class. So it's a really fun class, and as you can see, we've got lots of people in it. So, I mean, you get to hang out with me, and it's a great PE class. I know we're going on some really cool trips. You get to learn a lot of neat stuff that you're not going to learn anywhere else. We get a lot of marine biology kids in here that want to learn that part of it. We take several different trips, but the end of the semester trip where people go get certified, we go to Panama City, go out on a boat, dive on some old wrecks that they put down underwater, just to introduce people to the underwater world and you know, all the cool stuff that's underwater and the fish and the beautiful scenery. So it's just a fun class.
We're here at the Auburn University Club for our next elective on the list, which is golf. So let's go check it out.
So this is Golf 1. What I teach in this class is the fundamentals of the golf swing. So I'll go over like the grip and the posture and the swing path, ball position, alignment, those fundamentals. And then we learn those, and then we actually implement them twice a week. We hit range balls twice a week. I mean, it's a chance to get outside first of all, on a beautiful day like this. I have found out that most of these students, they see golf as an avenue in business. When I started this 15 years ago, I might average 1 female student per semester. And now I bet a third of my classes are female. So I think that, you know, everybody's figuring out that this is a good way to do business, you know, quality of life, everything. I think for later in life, I think all the PE classes are life lesson type classes, you know. You learn different skills, and they're gonna benefit you later. And then, of course, obviously exercise is a great way, you know, to further your life and you know, have a nice life. So that's what I see the most value.
So for the next elective on our list, we're outside at the Red Wolf School of Martial Arts. The elective is Muay Thai, so let's go check it out.
So this is a university class called PHED 1600-004. It is intermediate level Muay Thai, which is Thai kickboxing. The reason students do it is because it provides them with, number one, a great physical outlet during the most stressful parts of the semester for sure, but it also provides them an opportunity to earn a lecture and lab 2 credit with the kinesiology department, who we contracted out to. Typical class starts with a warm-up, which generally consists of either shadow boxing or jump roping. Then it follows into either pad rounds, where we strike pads for 3-minute rounds, usually for 3 rounds, but sometimes I vary it, and generally a good bit of clinch, which is standing grappling. The aspect of teaching is my natural calling in life. The thing I love second most, though, and very close to first most, is we started Red Wolf to make the community more resilient, to offer self-defense, which, by the way, if you know anyone who has been assaulted, harassed, or harmed in any way, they can take classes here, no charge, for as long as they want, until they feel like they have that sense of control and confidence back in their life.
Today we're at Bolero, seeing what Auburn bowling class has to offer. Let's go take a look.
So this class is a bowling class, and we teach bowling, the basics of bowling. So how to start with bowling. We teach the steps of bowling. We also do like manual scoring. We do a couple competitions. So it's a lot of fun. Students should take this class to enjoy a new sport. If you haven't bowled before, it is relaxing. Sometimes it could be frustrating, but we do have a lot of fun. And it doesn't take a lot to really learn how to bowl. So it's kind of an enjoyable sport with not a lot, and you could be inside in the air conditioning. All right, so I have been teaching this class. This will be my 7th year, with helping 3rd year with actually teaching it by myself with helpers instead of being the helper. I enjoy the students. Auburn students are been the greatest. And I love to see the happiness of everybody learning a new sport. And when they first get their first strike, it is a wonderful thing to see people just be happy about doing a sport.
Today we're here at CrossFit on the Plains, so let's go and see what they have going on inside.
CrossFit is functional movements done at a moderate to a high intensity with different time domains that we do it under. Typical class here, you walk in, make sure you sign into the class, and then we're going to go over your workout. Some days we'll have a longer workout and we won't do a strength. Some days we'll have a strength. We'll go over what those are, how to do them if it's a new movement that you haven't done before. But we'll run you through a warm-up, make sure the body feels good and warm. We'll go through the strength if we have strength, get that done, and then we'll go through the warm-up. Always we'll make sure that we do a good warm-up and have a good cool down at the beginning of the workout and at the end of it as well. Students should take the CrossFit class just because it's easy college credit that they can take, that they get to come and work out here with us. You're always going to be under a watchful eye, and you're going to get to meet some other great people that you may not have met before this class. I know a lot of friendships have continued on just throughout of this class. Favorite part of teaching CrossFit is just seeing all the different faces that come into this gym. We have people that's worked out before, some people that have never worked out before. They did sports, they didn't play sports, different types of people with different personalities, and just getting to meet all of them and seeing their goals that they want to have throughout the semester and seeing them achieve them at the end of it.
Well, that wraps up all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you find a good PE class.
And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and share it to your friends. Thank you.